G'day guys, gonna make a video switching the covers around on this airflow, see what noises we can make. Right, so here's the airflow cover. Smooth sound, very flat. Right, time to change the cover around. Right, so here's my Lenko style 2 cover on there. A little bit different. There's a fan that I haven't made a video on. I will when I get to making videos of the Lenko fan. The Lenko Madison cover. Still no difference. Right. Let's do the IXL vent air cover. A little bit of a difference. Alright. Now for the Hella cover. Right. It's quite a difference there. Oops, don't want to unplug that. Alright. It's time for the Lenko middies cover. I've made a video on this one before. Quite a bit of a different noise coming from that one. Right. Garlik cover. This is an EX20. It's one I've since scrapped since I made that video on it. Turbine noise. Alright. HPM style 1 cover. Right. This one makes very much a turbine noise. Alright. Do the Hella style 2 cover. Oh, nice and clean now. Very similar noise to the airflow cover. Right. There we are. It's the Mistral cover. This one makes a funny noise. Alright, hope you enjoyed that video. It's just showing the different covers that make different noises. Alright, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Peace.